in your face, Daisy AM. Okay, I'm gonna straighten out this rebar. This is metal recycling in the Philippines.
Oh wait.
Recycling metal in the Philippines, baby. Okay, these are already done from something similar that look like this. And the first thing we'll do is take some of that big round stuff out of there. That's one little segment there. Then you got to figure out this angle on your own. You could take a different one. You guys want to try this man hammer, let me know. I'll lend it to you for a couple of minutes. That's about all most of the foreigners in the Philippines could deal with that hammer. That's an 18-pound sledgehammer. I've had that, oh geez, since I was a little kid. Since I was a little boy, actually. But I always had a wooden handle on it, and I kept replacing the handles. And then when I became a marine construction contractor, I needed a hammer to put some nails in. And the nails that we used were 12 inches long, a little thicker than this bar here. So I welded I had a Lincoln 500 amp arc welder. I turned it on and I welded a man handle on it with a 1-inch bolt and a 5-inch spiral galvanized nail so it didn't non-gripping, non-skid hammer handle. Okay, so we're back to this little knot here. I'm going to turn that around like that. Go crossways on that. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Okay, that's pretty. Like I said, if you want a man hammer session, I think I'm going to start a Patreon account, or it's already started. Maybe you can come and show somebody else, show your family how you operate the man hammer in the real world. And there you go. Straight enough. Oh, well, we see a little bend there. That was a good knot there. Straight enough to put back into the concrete hollow block. That's for sure. So this is Michael Fazio, and
this is me in the Philippines, baby. Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Joe Barker in the Philippines, baby.